Hi my lovely viewers, this is a light war learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you export list inbound rules in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the control panel. So this is the control panel where this. So from here we will go to the Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, press this and go to the advanced settings, enter. So this is the click here. Here the all kinds of rules, which is inbound rules is called. And now I wanna do the export list. So how? So just right side on this page, so just click the export list, and here any kinds of here or documents or something like this, or this PC from another or disk D or something, and we will do the things hello file name, save, and just save. You can't save this PC because choice another location. So how? Just take the by default things. Now if I do this thing, see web, so where it has downloaded, let's check. This is the desktop. See, this is the hello.txt. Just click and check. See here all kinds of inbound rules is here. So in this way you can export the list. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.